Yeah, like untie it, untwist it. Just try and spin it maybe. Figure out where the line comes under it. Just fiddle around with it. It's kind of a pain. We have highs. We're not going to go faster. We'll go faster a little later, okay? We'll take a fast ride soon.
Oh.
I don't know what happened.
It's like hooked.
I'm sure if the ball went between the lines.
Here comes Kaizen.
Hey, girl. Hi, girl. You're good now.
That was weird.
Goofy go.
It spits here. Oh, where you sanded it. Did it not?
Alright,
But
so
that's good. Right?
yeah, let's pop it off, make these fit it up, and then we can work out where we're going to cut this and brace this, and then we'll roll it up.
Hell yeah. Like, would it make sense that if I do this, the gypsies will kind of find their own way
Yeah.
to where they want to be? Which is where we want them to be. That's pretty good, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. I mean, that's like free spooling really well. Okay. What do you think, babe?
That's awesome. I'm really excited.
It's gonna be great.
This is gonna be awesome.
It's gonna be super nice.